اعوذ بالله من الشیطان الرجیم. په دې کې پښتو شته، په دې کې اردو شته دی، په دې کې انګریزي شته. که څوک مو ماپسې خبرې کوي خیر دی. First of all, anyone in the world which are listening my voice can save my lecture, because this is some rays when they hit the skin, they cholesterol is converted to sequesteroid hormone D3. The level should not be less than 105, and when the cholesterol is less than 140, there is no benefit. The ultraviolet B rays, when the cholesterol is high, they become accumulating in the body, and they lead to increased body weight and obesity. In the in the coronary artery, they lead to coronary heart disease and peripheral vascular disease and carotid arteries, obesity and increased body weight. And there is a fatty liver. When the hormone D is decreased less than 55 to 75, the parathyroid hormone is increased. This is called theft of the bone, or the rat which is eating the roots of the tree. So they remove calcium from the bones for the other cells. So there is a Rickets disease and osteomalacia and osteoporosis. Due to these diseases, there is joint pains and back pain and teeth problems, short stature, and there is small bones and the ears. So there is deafness, and there is generalized body weakness, and there is fatigue, and there is weakness, and there is secondary hyperparathyroidism. So there is renal tubule calcium excretion increasing, lead to renal stones. When the D is decreased less than 20, when the cholesterol is not converted to cholecalciferol, the autoimmune system increases. So they lead to autoimmune diseases, which is called diabetes mellitus, tumors and fibroids, and systemic lupus erythematosus, multiple sclerosis, vitiligo, psoriasis, pernicious anemia, thrombocytopenia, rheumatic disease, psoriatic arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, and celiac disease, and others like Jensen myocarditis, dilated cardiomyopathy, and atrial fibrillation, and the group of E disease, endocrinological disease, hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, and thyroid enlargement. There are three causes of thyroid enlargement, because there is a cabbage, gobi ka istemal, and the vitamin D deficiency, and some drug medicine, and digestion, and decreased libido, because the testosterone level is decreased. So they lead to decreased sperm, so the libido, decreased sexual desire, premature ejaculation, failure of re-erection, hirsutism, and gynecomastia, and menstrual cycle diseases, infertility, and hospital birth of the babies, and stillbirth, and licoria, and premature oligomenorrhea, dysmenorrhea. And there is a group F diseases. The immunity is decreased. The system which is killed the microorganisms. So there are different types of microorganisms. So they lead to different types of infections and wounds and allergic diseases. And group G, miscellaneous disease, renal stones and gallbladder stones. And the brain, there is neurological and muscles and tendons and ligaments and membrane, and here diseases, weakness of all these organs and their cells. So they decrease memory, aggressive mood, and sleep diseases, insomnia, decreased sleep, increased sleep, distressed sleep, sweating, and Parkinson's disease, burning soles and forms, and tingling sensation, and numbness, and frozen shoulder, and constipation, and nausea, hemorrhoids, and hydrocele, varicocele, appendicitis, and hernia, and there is fits, and carpopedal spasm, and carpal tunnel syndrome, and dermatitis, and autism, and palpitations, and phobias, and dry mouth, and uncontrolled movements of the body, and loss of appetite, and migraine, and other types of headache, vertigo, and tinnitus, and deflected nasal septum. And there is all psychological disorder, depressive, cognitive, hirsutism, all psychological diseases like depression, depressive disorder, cognitive disorder, anxiety, delusion, hallucination, delusion, autism, and obsessive compulsive syndrome, and schizophrenia. And there is Alzheimer's disease and anxiety, and when the D is decreased, there is also with the D, and this is actually the hormone D3, but in Asia it's called vitamin D. I am the first one when I introduced in Pakistan. Rickets disease, premature osteopenic disease, premature osteoporosis, and premature osteoarthritis, sciatica, cervical spondylosis, Gulf elbow disease, tennis elbow disease, osteochondritis, osteomalacia, teeth diseases, and hearing loss, and short stature before 18 years. And there is a if they not converted the cholesterol, they lead to this. But